Hi everyone, I'm making my dinner and I am trying Meet Cute 2018 Cabernet Sauvignon. It's from Red Hills, Lake County. It's a California wine. It has 14.4% alcohol by volume, and as I found out from Noom, it has 122 calories for a glass. Just got back from my walk. My filet mignon is almost finished, along with eggplant ravioli and broccoli slaw. Just gonna turn that off, let it rest. Nice, looks great. Oh my gosh, I wish I could show you this. Not a legit cooking show. But this is why we use wine, you know? It's part of our culture of cooking and enjoying life. One of the things I found out in my Noom class today is that there are 5 different kinds of eaters. There's the people who live to eat, and the people who eat to live, and then like the people who just eat because they're doing something, and then something about Harry Potter, which I think was a joke, and then another one I can't remember. But anyway, I'm the live to eat kind of a person. I eat for fun. I eat because it's enjoyable. That's why I thought I would try wine. It's gonna go perfect with my dinner. It's gonna be worth having these calories. So I'm smelling this aroma. So now I'm going to try 2018 Meet Cute. I'm pretty sure I would put money in Vegas that it is owned by Bright Cellars. This is where it came from, and they only have a landing page-ish, very small website. Yes, this wine sells for $25 from their website, but on Bright Cellars it's $20. It's really good. I know that's not very helpful, is it? Really good. Oh, it's really good. So tastes like I just finished my 3rd book. That's what it tastes like. Happy New Year's if you're watching this today. New Year's Eve specifically, or New Year's if you're in Germany. It's already 2021 in a lot of places on this planet. It's full-bodied. I'm gonna say it's full-bodied. It's fruity, but it's not like super fruity like a Pinot girls get together sangria fruity. It just feels like it has sustenance. I'm sorry, that's the wrong word. Substance. It could be your sustenance at 122 calories a glass. This is going to be a great wine with my filet mignon, with broccoli slaw and eggplant ravioli. So this bourbon girl approves. It's time for me to get back to cooking, as my timer's telling me. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.